Hello and welcome back. In this module, we learn about the Crown Chakra and how it affects your money-making habits. The Crown Chakra is located at the top of the head. It's represented by the color purple and is vibrating at a higher frequency as compared to the third eye chakra. It's also the energy with the highest frequency vibration among the 7 major chakras. The Crown Chakra represents the highest level of consciousness, knowledge, and wisdom, as well as your sense of the world as a whole. It's the connective center to your spiritual being. The chakra integrates all the 7 chakras with their respective qualities and characteristics. When you have an actively balanced crown chakra, you have full awareness of your emotional as well as spiritual being. You're also aware of the world and its existence. You're not prejudiced, and you are an excellent learner as you love to regard your experiences as new lessons in life. Therefore, you're able to pick up new lessons effortlessly. For instance, when your boss needs you to take charge of a field relatively new to you, you see it as an opportunity to grow. You also have no problem to adapt as you are a fast learner. However, if your chakra is inactive, it's quite hard for you to acknowledge and be aware of the spiritual world. You also have a hard time picking up new things. Another indicator is that you're unable to think clearly when you're under stress or pressure. For example, if you're asked to make a decision, and you have difficulty doing so. You are indecisive, and it's hard for you to decide when you are under pressure. When your crown chakra is hyperactive, you tend to overthink a lot. You can't let things go easily, and you create problems in your head that were not there in the first place. You're over-enthusiastic and chasing the spiritual world that you neglect what your body really needs. This may result in depression and anxiety as you are constantly thinking of what could happen and what might happen. You are not facing reality. As the crown chakra is associated with knowledge and wisdom, many people disregard the fact that there needs to be a balance in whatever they pursue. Thirst for knowledge and learning new things are positive things to adopt, but when it becomes extreme, it may become the direct opposite. Let me give you an example. When a person has an overactive crown chakra, he or she has this underlying thirst for knowledge that they are willing to fly to any country to learn new lessons. They'll travel from one country to the next, disregarding the fact that it incurs a lot of cost. The situation worsens if they pay their expenses using credit cards, and each and every time they choose to travel, they add more to their debt. Another example is because you want to achieve an inner balance of your spiritual being, you meditate for 24 hours, even though your body is already exhausted and you have not eaten. This will cause your health to deteriorate, and it will not help you to achieve your inner peace in the long run. Therefore, whatever it is that you choose to do, always remember striking a balance is key. Your money chakra. When your crown chakra is blocked, you constantly feel the need to seek approval from others in making any money moves. You're easily affected by other people's perception towards you. For instance, some people may say that money's the root of all evil. You'll be easily influenced by this, and this will affect your pursuit of making money and creating the life you want. Not only that, when your crown chakra is imbalanced, you'll be a slave to money. You're not in control of your money. Instead, it has control of you. You're overcome by greed, and you feel that you can't live without money. When you have a healthy crown chakra, you have a self-realization that you have permission to create as much money as you like, spend it the way you want. You acknowledge that you are not your money and you have control over it. What other people may say about money does not affect you. The solution. There are several solutions you can take in order to activate and balance your crown chakra. First is through different activities. Practice meditation. Read inspirational books on a daily basis. Include some peace and quiet into your daily routine. The herbs to balance your chakra. Practice meditation. Meditation gives you great calming effects. It also enhances your focus and helps you achieve positive energy flow. Practice meditation daily for only 10 minutes and you will see a big difference in yourself. Read inspirational books on a daily basis. Grab an inspirational book and try reading 1 chapter per day. The book can be from a public figure you adore or anyone you can relate to. Include some peace and quiet in your daily routine. Sometimes you get too overwhelmed with your hectic life and all you need is some time for yourself. Find a quiet place. Go to your favorite coffee shop or your favorite park and unwind. Herbs to balance your chakra. There are several herbs you can use to help balance your crown chakra. However, do note that these herbs are only to be ritually inhaled and not consumed. These herbs are sage, juniper, copal, frankincense, and myrrh.